Hello viewers, let's make khichdi. This video will be a future reference for you. After adding desi ghee, let's add some spices. Let's start with cumin seeds. After that, cinnamon. And some cardamom. Finally, cloves. Here goes onions, curry leaves, green chilies, mint leaves. Let's not forget fresh coriander leaves. After adding garlic and ginger paste, let's add some turmeric powder. Stir well and let's add some iodized rock salt as it is good for your health. Then 3 cups of water. Close the lid and let it cook. After watching this recipe, you can visit my channel for more recipes. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It's time to add soaked rice and red split lentils. Now close the lid and let it cook. Don't forget to comment your opinion. It looks like khichdi is almost ready. Finally, garnish with some coriander leaves. And let me show the best way to eat khichdi. Khichdi will taste excellent with mixed curd and coriander pickle. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more recipes.